Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is I just want to share this cool thing that I've found here in my Toyota Tundra, which is, it's not really a big stuff, but it's just really cool. While I'm sitting here on my truck right now, I just noticed this in my windshield, right on the passenger side, on the bottom of the windshield. So yep, I just found it out that it looks so different on the other side of the windshield. So I've seen that there's a thing that it says Toyota Tundra trucks, but side by side you can see there was a dotted line, which really say something, because I know for sure that it is a Morse code, and I know a little bit of it because way back I was working the ship and I'm doing this those days. And yeah, I try to decode it and I know what it says. It says badass truck. It's just really cool stuff, like, you know, like they try to hide something in there, and then just find it out. And I just Google and I just browse it in YouTube. There's a lot of people knows about this, but yeah, I've seen one guy that he probably from Toyota or whatever. That's what it said. It says badass truck. So I don't know the previous model, those before 2022. I don't know if they have this, but yeah, it really says something in there, like it says badass truck. So just check it out, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys, and always hit the notification bell so that you will be updated into upcoming videos that we're gonna do. So next video that we're gonna tackle about is my review of this truck after the 8,000 kilometers that my experience with this truck after I got this from dealership. So check it out and see you on the next one. Ciao.